Hi traders, this is Prakash Gaba here. Nifty view for 13th April 2021. Tomorrow is Gudi Padwa. Happy Gudi Padwa. One. Number two. Some members have been complaining that my voice is not very clear. So far, I have been using the microphone of my computer. Today, I have tried a professional microphone. Please give me a feedback if the voice is okay. That's all I would say. Having said that, let me say, I was been expecting the market is weak. I've been saying it for a very long time. The market is down. Few reasons for it was 14,712 was a very strong resistance on a very high time frame. And I've been saying it for the last couple of months that it's difficult to cross. The first technical target that I had was 13,768. When it took out new high, that was the target where the markets could have turned. Then the next technical targets where the markets could have turned was 14,467. It went up beyond that as well. And finally, the most important level I had said was 15,471. The market did not go there. It was short of just 30 points. Because on some geometry, that's a very strong resistance. Some people ask me, how do you get these levels out? Maybe one day I will explain in my book. Maybe I'll do a course on that. But I know how to take those levels out in a blue sky territory where the market has not traded before. It is a complex art, a science, which I have done it. Anyway, now the market has been cracking. This up move that I've been saying that is a reactive up move. You must have used the word, you must have heard me saying this reactive up move. Reactive up move basically means it has gone up to come down. Then when I showed this head and shoulder pattern here, this was clear indication it's coming down. Today the market opened with a gap out here. Let me mark the gap here. And just traded down. Yes, it is a sign of weakness. Now it's heading down more lower. Where is it going? Well, possibly 14,000 is a strong psychological support because it's a round number. It can go there. And because of FNO weekly expiry, perhaps it may not breach that. That also is possible. We may see an up move thereafter. But the real strong support is in the vicinity of 13,912. If it goes there closer to 13,912, we could see some kind of a bounce if it happens. Now, if it doesn't happen or what, I don't know. We'll come to the levels once again after we reach there. They say now, cross the bridge when you come to the bridge. That's what it is. So far, the market is weak. Now, quite possible we may even see this 14,500 zone. There's a strong resistance out there. So, if you get a rallies out there, I would say that's a strong resistance zone. Simple as that. Let us look at Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank, I had marked these levels and I had said on Friday evening on CNBC Hour also, and I said it on YouTube as well, that this is a make or break levels. And it's closed near the low. It was a sign of weakness. Bank Nifty has been more weak than Nifty. See how it cracked here. The circle out here. Massive weakness. It went down here. Where can it go from here? Now 30,000 is a strong, here that I see 30,000 is a very strong psychological support. And before FNO expiry, possibly we could see that hold. But if 30,000 go, then the real support is at 29,460, which I have marked here. I'll be happy with 30,000. If market goes to around 30,000, some kind of short covering could come in here because puts and calls come into play at round numbers. So far, if we get rallies, those are shorting opportunity. The market is weak. It's not going up in a hurry. With the corona cases rising and at all-time highs, why should the market go up? You're thinking of lockdown. Lockdown ho ya na ho? Maybe we have lockdown. Maybe we don't have lockdown. The fact is, earlier we were hearing that so-and-so person got the virus. So-and-so person is positive. Now what? Now we have our own friends who have tested positive. I have my friends tested positive. I have my friends' children tested positive. In my own building, there are people, entire families tested positive. It's a matter of time. Corona may come to me. But I have been careful so far. I don't move out of my house. Nothing comes into my main room unless it is disinfected. My son has come back last night or this morning from a holiday in Dubai. My son has not come home. He's staying in a hotel for 7 days quarantine, self-quarantine. And then he'll be tested and then he'll come home. This is the simple procedure we adopt. What happens? Some people have been saying that you can bribe the BMC and you can come home. Well, bribing the BMC is that he'll come home. But what if he brings a virus and gives it to me and my wife? That's the problem. So it's good for us that we quarantine ourselves. I've been not speaking about masking, but please wear a mask. Now, if you have parents in the house, please lock them up in a room. Make them stay safe. You have children. Don't let them get out of the house. See that they are inside. This morning, I spoke to my friends in CNBC Awas. Some people in that buildings are infected. So it's a matter of time. We will be also getting it. Get yourself vaccinated. I have taken my 1 dose. Maybe second dose. I'll take it this week or maybe a week after. Until then, I'm locked up. Simple as that. Stay safe, guys. Stay safe. Market is weak. It's not going up in a hurry. Market opens at 9:15 every day. But stay safe.